Did you know that when you clean your dishwasher with vinegar, you should always pour the vinegar into a container on the top rack of the dishwasher? If you just pour that vinegar into the bottom of the dishwasher like a lot of people do, that dishwasher, once you turn it on, is going to drain all of the water from the bottom of the dishwasher. It's the first thing it does before it even starts its cycle. So all it's doing is pulling away and flushing out all of that vinegar you just poured into the dishwasher, and nothing is in there to actually clean your dishwasher. So always put it in a cup on the top rack like you see here, and that vinegar can stay in your dishwasher longer and clean better. You can find more tips for cleaning your dishwasher on my YouTube channel. Good luck, guys.